Hey guys, today I unboxing with the camera, smart camera EZVIZ model C6T. This camera have alarm hub, okay, remote, and this mount with the door. This okay. Oh, okay, spec detail. Spec lens 2 megapixel 4mm 4mm. Okay, day night mark. Connection Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz. Local storage up. Video compress. Okay, power map. Oh, okay. Support only 2.4. Two-way. Motion detect alert. Smart motion tracking. Okay, we open. Open. Okay. Guidebook. Oh, okay. This panel. Wireless. Magnetic contact model C6T2A. I don't know how to use. I will testing out. This one, what? Oh, remote control alarm. Okay, alarm, home, mute, motion, night mode. This one is battery. Okay. Ready? Okay, now we open. Oh, we take the camera. Not heavy. Ready? It's not hot. Memory slot. Power. Where is that? Oh, here. Reset button. It mount with the mount seal. Okay. Oh, this one tab. What this one? Like this. Okay. Dilator. Ceiling mounting drill. Adapter. Oh, adapter. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's start. Go to try config. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Next video I will show how to connect wireless magnetics to EZVIZ app and remote control to the camera. Thank you. Please subscribe and like.